Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Boske's FX Forex Group. We really appreciate you guys to have you back once again to our YouTube channel. If you are new here guys, just consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so that you get the notification post when we upload our next video. So guys, in today's video we are going to share with you the US30 strategy which you can apply on your trade plan, also on Nasdaq. And so guys, here on our YouTube channel we talk about smart money concept and ICT concept, and also with order block strategy. So if you are looking forward to learn those type of concept, welcome to the family. So as you can see here guys, this is US30 setup which we shared on our Telegram group. You'll find the link down below description once you are done watching this video. So as you can see, we said this was our engulf here. Why we didn't take this base area is because on our previous video we said this was the previous lower high and this base area was responsible for taking the previous lower low, so that this was drop, base drop after breaking the structure of the market, meaning as we do not take anything after breaking the structure of the market, and this base area was never being tested, so the price have to go up and pick the orders at this order block zone area and then goes down. So as you can see here guys, while we were looking for longs here, the price have taken out the previous lower high, creating a new higher high, meaning this was an engulf, a signal that the price is still going up. The price have to come back to the order block zone area, and as you can see here guys, we had 1, 2, 3 candlesticks of going up, but this was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candlesticks of going down, meaning this was compression coming back to the OB, order block zone area. So once you find your OB in your H1 time frame, what you have to do is to go in 15 minutes to the last candlestick which price will issue when the price is going up, and then mark that as your order block zone area for what? For minimizing your risk. So let's say the price came back to the OB and then goes up, and now let's go to the chart and see what happened. As you can see here guys, this was the zone which we were expecting the price to break, and they took the previous lower high, creating a new high. Then the price came back to the OB, and now if you want to minimize your risk guys, if you want to minimize your risk, what you have to do is to go into the 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes chart guys. As you can see, let us zoom in and show you how you take your interest there. So as you can see here guys, right there, this was the last candlestick which we are talking about. This candlestick right there, it was the last candlestick which was issued by the dealer going up, and that's where you mark your what, your high and your low, and you put your SL below this higher low. And then the price came back with the compression as a what, as a nice price approach to the OB, and then pick the orders and goes up. So meaning if you use this higher high, as we always say, use the previous high as your take profit, your take profit was going to be smashed. And now guys, let's go back to H1 time frame and show you how were we going to take these shots. So as you can see here guys, as you can see, let's us zoom in now. So as you can see, this was the OB guys, this was the OB, but I was going to use this half body right there, and then that's where we were expecting the price to come to pick the orders, and as you can see, they picked the orders and shifted the market going down. So you can see some of you may say, Bosques, I can't take such kind of entry here, putting my SL around there and then put my stop loss above there. here is the good advice for you guys, for those who say that we have this company called True Forex Funds. So what does this company does? They fund the traders who are not afford to trade like 10,000 USD. So what you have to do is to buy these accounts. So like 10,000 is around $80 or $90. So meaning what you have to do is to purchase the account. Once you purchase the account, they have to see if you are a good trader or not. So what you have to do is to trade 8% as a first target profit, and you don't have minimum days of trading that account. You have like up to 30 days trading the account, and also the minimum or the maximum loss per day is 5% of your account, and the overall maximum loss is 10%. And also once you pass your phase 1, you go to phase 2, meaning they will refund the registration fee, sorry about that. And then after refunding you, you go to phase 2. And in phase 2, what you have to do is to target 4% of your account. And after you done that, you also have 60 days trading, and the risk and the overall loss is still the same, and there's no monthly fee, meaning once you are done that, they'll give you 80% of your shares once you are trading a funded account. And also guys, with the strategies which we are sharing on our YouTube, you can also be a funded trader and able to trade these big accounts. So without wasting your time guys, let's go back to our chart. So as you can see here guys, on our chart, the price came back to pick the orders and shifted the market going down. So for you now, you just shift yourself from this high to this low, and then you let your trade run. Why? Because this was compression coming back to the OB. As you can see, I think this was 1 day of drop guys around this zone. But do you see how many days do you think the price have went up? I think more than 2 or 3 days of going up, and now they have picked the orders. They have to shift the market going down, meaning they have to take the retail traders. Let me show you. They have to take the retail traders who are still holding the price, because some of them use the trend line, meaning they buy here, also here, and some they are now buying, and then after that the price will continue going down. So for you to understand that guys, you just have to trade the OBs like these ones. You don't have to trade the OBs which will be after breaking the structure of the market. Why? Because the dealer will give you fast move, breaking those retail traders who are buying at this zone and this zone, meaning the price will continue go down until to this zone. So once you see that, you now go back to your bigger time frame, because you want to understand the bigger structure. You want to understand the bigger structure. As you can see here guys, you can see here guys, the price have created a drop-based drop, and the price took the orders and shifted. But you can see the price was breaking those previous high and another high there. So what happens here guys, you can see this lower high here was being taken out after creating it, after taking out the previous lower high. The price has created a base area, meaning this base area we do not consider it for buys. We only wait for this one. If price comes back down there, that's where we will expect the price to come and pick the orders, not coming back to this OB. That's why they have taken out that zone, then continues going to the right order block. So now you are expecting the price to continue going down, and you can can see this will be a first leg, second leg, and you expect the dealer to continue going down. Why? Because the structure of the market right there was being taken out. You can see that was our previous higher low. So the dealer just took out this previous higher low and also respecting this OB, and then the price went up. But you can see they just came back to the OB which was created here, and this OB was responsible for taking out all those higher lows. You can see, so the price had to come back to pick the orders and then goes down. So we are still expecting the dealer to go down. So if you go to your H1 now, that's where you'll be waiting, and you can see the price took out this higher low. So they may also come back to this OB right there and then take the orders and continue causeway down. So I hope this video, guys, will help you. You can apply these strategies, guys, on every current pairs and also on volatility index pairs. You can also apply this. So meaning if you pass your account here, guys, if you pass your account, you'll be able to find your volatility account with big amount, let's say with 1000 USD, and then start trading with a big account. They can also find you up to 400,000 USD. So you just have to buy the account and pass, and then also trade with consistency so that you'll be able to trade these big accounts. I hope this video, guys, will help you out there, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to join our Telegram group for free signals and free setup. Thank you.